Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? If you are looking to get rid of any of those annoying pests, let's say cockroaches, mosquitoes, ticks, fleas, silverfish, aphids, all that ants, all that fun stuff out there, whether it's on your personal property or commercial property, I've got the perfect product for you. So this was sent over by a company called Syngenta, and it is their Demand Duo. So you're gonna be able to get this as a single bottle or even a 2-pack, it's up to you. And what's nice about this is it is a concentrated liquid. So this is a 1.1 ounce bottle. It's designed for a 1 gallon sprayer. So super, super easy to use. You're just gonna pour this into your 1 gallon sprayer, go ahead and add the water to dilute it, make sure it's all nice and mixed up, and you're ready to go and to start applying. Now this can be applied indoors or outdoors, and it's gonna give you about 4 months worth of barrier protection, which is absolutely great. It's called Duo because it's made with 2 active ingredients that are designed to attack 90 plus pests essentially out there with their ICAP technology. And like I mentioned, those pests are gonna range anything from the mosquitoes, it's gonna range from fire ants or regular ants, it's gonna target roaches, all the stuff you don't want around your house or your commercial property, which is absolutely amazing. Now it also does attack aphids. So if you are spraying this on any bushes or anything like that, what's nice about that is a big food source for a lot of bugs, especially like ants. And by spraying it on, it'll target those, and then it'll in turn infect the ant nests and whatnot in those colonies, which is pretty awesome as well. But overall, very, very easy to apply. Just go ahead, concentrated bottle, doesn't take up a lot of room when you are storing. When you're ready to go, just mix it up with that 1 gallon sprayer and start applying, and then you are set for the next 4 months. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a great insecticide that works very, very well, that's easy to apply and targets a ton of pests, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.